everybody, Danny here. Well, let's go ahead and get on to our painting. We need to just darken it down a little bit to make the bright part even brighter. That's how we do it, okay? And so we're going to do that. And why don't you head on over to easel with me, and we'll go ahead and get that procedure done, okay? I'll meet you over at the easel. Alrighty, here we go. I've already dampened the page down here, and what we're going to do is we're just going to kind of darken this a little bit. Okay, we want just a little bit darker, and as we begin to darken it, this area here that we want bright begins to get brighter, okay? This is an important part of it, and what we're doing right now is it's called glazing. Your first time through is a wash, then the next time or anything you put on top of that, it's called a glaze. That's what we're doing. We're glazing. We've let the initial wash dry thoroughly, and now we're glazing. Now I'm just coming in here with this just to pick up anything I might not want anywhere, and to kind of soften the edge just a little bit like that, okay? Now, what we'll do is tomorrow we'll actually we'll start putting in some of the scenery that's in here that's just going to be really, really muted, and that's exactly what we need it to be. So be with me tomorrow, and we'll take care of that. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, leave comments. We need those comments, and tell your friends about us. And by golly, remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you. And there we go. That wasn't so bad, was it? It's probably not the most exciting part of painting, but it's something that's really important, the use of a glaze over a wash. Now, be with me tomorrow, and we will continue on with our painting. And remember that Ann and I, we love you, we love you, we love you.